What is going on? We got a JDM meet tomorrow. Figured it'd be a great time to start filming, make some content, so about to get the car ready for it. Alright, there's a quick walkthrough of the car. Didn't spend too much time, but I think it's good enough for now. Not too bad. I'm not sure why I even try to clean my exhaust, but this is what I kind of use. Just need a tiny bit, and this will just be. Yeah, every time I clean this and go on a drive, this gets blacked out again because of all the flames anyway, so why bother, I guess. And after about a minute, just kind of wiping this back and forth, it's back to being shiny. Time for the other side. And this side's also pretty bad. You can already kind of see it working. I think that's good enough. Also notice my mirror has a little bit of play, so I'm just gonna tighten that up real quick. It's pretty simple. This, don't mind that crack. This is kind of broken, but you just kind of pry it out. Now I have a pry tool because I couldn't get my fingers kind of in there, but I just want to be real careful with this. These old plastics. There you go. And it fell. But you just have to tighten these screws and it should be good to go. Completely missed. Don't want to do it too tight. And all of these were kind of loose. And much better. And to put it back in, you kind of hook this end in first. You can kind of see a little pin. Let's push it down and it should be good. What's up? It's the very next day. I thought I had on right now to meet up with Alex, but I do have to stop to get gas first, so. Just got to Alex's. We're all about to head out. It's a few of us. Should be cool. Alright, just showed up to the meet. It's a cool little turnout. group pic over there. Showed up kind of late. UFC lineup on this side.
The drone has been every month we have to like go for
It's clean. This side of the lot. John's FD, always super clean and simple. Nice show meet today. Everyone's been headed out earlier, but I'm finally about to head out. Might do night meet tonight as well, but we'll see. Ended up not going to that night meet, just kind of hung out with the homies here, but finally about to head home. It's about 1 a.m. so how much time? An hour and 8 minutes. All right, let's go. finally made it back home. It's about 2:40 a.m. Beat, but today was like otherwise pretty chill day. Car made it back safely, no issues at all. So till next time.